Come on, baby. Yeah. This thing been sitting somewhere for a long time, it appears. So that should be the battery casing. I got the carbide blade on here. I'll shoot the shot off. I'm gonna put this on and we're gonna cut this in half real quick. Of course I'm grabbing that TV on the way to park down there. The new yard doesn't take TVs, but the old one does, so that's mine. Let's get it. YouTube, real fast. I wasn't gonna record this, but I might as well. I just got home and there's a whole bunch, not a whole bunch, but there's like some bed frames and stuff in the dumpster right by my house. So I'm taking it. I already took most of it. There's a couple more bed frames right there. That's pretty cool looking. Rhinestones all over it. And if you look, there's a couple more bed frames. Some weights that are metal inside, not sand. So I'll take down a couple more pieces of metal down in there, and that's all. Yeah, we're gonna load this up though. Why not? Been painting all day today. Sheesh. I'm gonna be painting like a few more days still. I've been there, I think 5 full days so far. Let's get these weights. Oh yeah, so I still got that air conditioning left over from today as well in my storage unit. It's like 5:30 p.m. right now, so I'm not gonna go break that down today. I might do it tomorrow after I'm done painting. Okay guys, I'll get more footage on my next scrapping adventure. YouTube. Good morning. Yesterday after work, I picked up that refrigerator, and then there was a dishwasher. I took all the metal off, except the door, and threw it away for him. He said there's a hot water heater in the basement level of apartments over there, but there's water in it. I'm gonna ride over there right now, but I don't have my 5-gallon bucket to try to like push the water out. All right, let's get it. Okay guys, so I parked on the wrong side. That's building 3 on that side and 1 on this side. It's supposed to be a hot water heater in this basement. I don't think I can get it right now. Oh yeah, we can. There's a sub pump. He said a little bit of water is in it. I'm gonna have to move my truck and get a pipe wrench and drain this whole thing into this sub pump. And I've actually done it here a long time ago too. This is gonna take a minute, guys. I gotta move my truck to the other side. OMG, we're gonna lift this off of here, put it there, open that up and drain the whole thing. It's gonna take like 25 minutes. Let's go get a pipe wrench. Easy morning. I gotta be to Bel Air, Maryland in like 45 minutes to start painting again. I've been painting for 15 years. One townhouse. The house I'm painting is the dude that gave me all the rotors that I just put a video out on. It's my buddy. He's a real good dude. Alright guys. Of course I'm grabbing that TV on the way to park down there. The new yard doesn't take TVs, but the old one does, so that's mine. Let's get it. Hey guys, I just got that TV and there's, looks like a microwave as well. That's going with me. I wasn't gonna even film this part. And that looks like a sink or something. Something heavy, man. Ooh, a tank. I think that's a gas tank. Sheesh, we're taking both of these. Wave high for the camera. Good morning. It's freezing out, guys. They were saying it was like 100 and some degrees in Arizona and Texas like 4 days ago or something. It's like 40 degrees, 45 degrees up here right now in the morning. It's cold. Is this a gas tank? Looks like it. I honestly don't even know what a gas tank looks like, but this has got to be one. Yeah, this is a gas tank. I don't think, yeah, I have. I've got a few of these. So maybe tomorrow morning I can go to the yard before I go to paint, or wait and go Saturday early. Probably go Saturday early. I'm gonna get this thing draining and then go get my hand truck and a strap to get it out of here. This guy's heavy too. Come on, baby. Yeah. This is gonna shoot over this little sub pump hole, probably. We don't want to make a big mess. Come on, baby. Let's aim it dead center. Hopefully it doesn't shoot over there, like past it. This is a lot of water in here, guys. If it shoots crazy, I'm gonna have to stop recording and aim it down. Beautiful. A little bit of copper on there. I'm gonna go get a hand truck and a strap. And I think we're done with this right now. This thing has been draining for over 5 minutes. We're about to get it out of here, guys, and then I gotta fly. I brought these in case the fixture got stuck. The calcium crap that's in the water clogs them sometimes. Shove that in there, obviously, or a screwdriver or something, and then it'll flow. There's a little bit going in this string, but not much. That sud pump ain't kicking on. I filled it up like 2.5 feet probably so far. You guys keep the sticks. It's getting lighter though, way lighter. It's still heavy to get up the steps. Man, look at that brass, guys. Yeesh. I'm gonna go get the sawzall. It'd be like, it'd be a flood. Okay, I'm gonna go load this on the truck and go, guys. You got it strapped very tight. Took a lot of weight off it too. Still heavy. It's pretty awkward. Come on, baby. Shoot. I might have to flip it. It's heavy. That's one. Okay, we got it, we got it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sheesh. Alright. I'll get more footage later, guys. Sheesh. That was not an easy task. YouTube. I just painted all day. I was 5 minutes late leaving to pick my daughter up, like a half-hour drive. And then 95 South added all this time, so I was late anyways. After I dropped my daughter off, a guy just texted me. There's apartments behind this grocery store that I gotta go to, and he's got like a washer and a dryer and I think a microwave. So I'm going to pick that up immediately before somebody else does. We'll be there in like 1 minute, 2 minutes. Yeah, guys, you can't see it, but there's a weight thing on that side of that dumpster right there. I'm gonna come grab that when we leave here as well. And it looks like a bed frame over there. Sheesh, we're about to get it. We're about to fill this truck up. I got the hot water heater and the fridge in here right now. This is a dryer, a stove, and a microwave. I'm gonna go talk to this maintenance guy real quick. But yeah, that's what we're taking. Real fast, guys. Busted this loose. Okay, we got some copper. This guy's loose already, sorta. I left my pipe wrench in the back of my truck. I should have grabbed it. Nah, we don't need it. We don't need it. I didn't think so. These are steel, obviously. A little bit of brass, a little bit of copper. I got some more up front. And then we're gonna load these appliances up. Throw this microwave in that corner somehow. And be on our way. That gas tank's leaking actual gas because I can smell it too. All right, let's get them. There's an oven and a dryer. And another microwave. Let's load this up real fast. I'm gonna turn this around so then I can put the microwave up in that hole it'll make with the lip. Shoot, I might have a full load for tomorrow morning to go to the yard before I go paint again. Shove this up in this hole somehow. There's another microwave too. Then we got an oven. My truck's dirty. Hold on 1 second. Nice shot. All right, guys, let's load this baby up. Come on, Mr. Stove. wish I had time to break that air conditioning down in my unit. Then we got that little microwave and then we're done. I'll get footage in a little bit, guys. Okay guys, I got all that loaded up finally. I'm going to hit these other dumpsters where I seen the bed frame and something else. And I might as well check this while I'm over here. There's a lamp and another microwave right here. I'm about to load up real quick. And some kind of little cart or something and a scooter. There's some metal right here, guys. It looks like a go-kart with batteries. We're gonna get it. Yeah, because I've been painting, I haven't really been scrapping unless people ask me, so I haven't been riding around looking. Are these batteries under here? I think so. Lamp, microwave, this is metal. So is that scooter. I'm gonna load everything up somehow. Safely. Oh, there's a microwave in that hole. That's right. No wonder. Okay, I'll get more footage when I go get the bed frame. Yeah, this is like a little electric go-kart razor, but you gotta take the battery out at this new yard I go to. I guess all yards you have to take the battery out. We're gonna throw the bulbs away, obviously. There's a bunch of shopping carts. Let's load these up too, guys. No, I'm joking. They don't even take them at the new yard I go to. Okay, real quick, I'm gonna try to get this off of here. Okay, that's loose. That's loose. That's loose. There ain't no that one. We'll keep the screws, why not? There's wires running through here. This thing been sitting somewhere for a long time, it appears. So that should be the battery casing. It is. Some bugs under there. A little motor. Yeah, you gotta turn these in separate. Look, Spider, I don't want no trouble, bro. Okay, this is gonna be another size one. I thought I had one out. Shoot. It's gonna take 15 minutes for me to find the right size star key for that. Okay, there we go. Where'd that one go? It's 2 small batteries. Cool. 2 hours later, got the batteries. I'm gonna throw this away, that away. Load it up and go, guys. There's a bed frame in the other court. Pull this motor real quick too. Quickly now, I'm getting that bed frame right there on the corner and throwing it in here. There's a tub right there in between these 2 storage things, but I don't know if that's trash or not. I'll leave a card on it. I'm not gonna take it if I'm not sure. Hey guys, that ain't a bed frame, that's a fence. Ain't that considered wrought iron? This version, these are the heavy kind, like real heavy. I got the carbide blade on here. Oh shoot, it shot off. I'm gonna put this on and we're gonna cut this in half real quick. Okay, we're gonna chop this up. Oh, there's scrap in there too. I'm gonna cut it right at the hole so there's less to cut. See that? This is thick stuff. Sheesh. These are not light. These are the real heavy kind, guys. I bet you that tub is trash over there. I bet you. This is heavy duty. Woo, it's binding up. That means it's done almost. Whoa, don't fall. Alright, we're gonna load all 3 of these pieces in the truck. Somehow I gotta untie that strap. Ooh, this is heavier than it looks. Much heavier. We can fit it standing up right in that pocket right there on the side, I bet. There might be a bunch more metal in there. And that's metal too. Sweet. We load this up and then go over there to the bed frame I saw earlier, I believe. Oh no, the weight. It was a weight thing. Pick up nails and screws, guys. Don't leave them laying in the road. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So I'm in a huge hurry and do not feel like taking this apart, but I'm invested, like Cisco said. So yeah, this weeder gym needs to go in that truck right there. And it's all these old rusty bolts. I'll probably see if I can break them real quick. I don't feel like cutting all this because it's pretty thick steel, so. But yeah, this thing is coming with me. I need a drill, a wrench, maybe put a socket on there. Maybe some WD-40, which I do have. All right, let's get it. Okay guys, I am getting this apart. I threw a big chunk in there. It's all rusty. It ain't coming out easy, but it's coming out. So a Jamaican dude just came by in a dump truck and said, "That ain't from over there at that dumpster, is it?" I was like, "Yes, sir." And he's like, "That ain't supposed to go, dog." And I was like, "Bro, you can have it back. I ain't trying to take it." And I was like, "There's more in between the things, but I didn't touch it." And he's like, "You're good, dog." I just watched this interrogation thing on YouTube, and it's like, any confrontation with any human, you introduce yourself and tell them your name, and I'm like, "My name's Clark," and it makes them like you better subconsciously right away. But yeah, he said I was not supposed to take this, but I was like, it's right next to the dumpster, so it looked like trash. He's like, "Yeah, you're right, you can have it, and the other stuff is new." So he was like, "Yeah, don't worry about it." We got some steel wrought iron, so I'm almost done busting this thing up, and then I'm leaving. Oh, it's coming out. Oh, it's coming out. Oh, it's coming out. Every time you see the camera point down, that means I'm putting my headband thing on. Ah. Shoot, it was coming out. Just hurt my wrist trying to get this out of here. Come on, ancient weight set. There we go. There we go. Yeah, so this isn't the heaviest load in the world, but I'm probably running that tomorrow morning just to empty my truck. My buddy, maintenance dude, told me he's got all these units getting cleared out tomorrow. He's got plenty of appliances for me at the work. Told him I'll take everything. Everything must go, guys. Everything. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It is freezing out here. Lots and lots and lots and lots of this stuff. Lots of it, lots of it, lots of it. We don't need a Best Buy date for coffee because it's going to be there like 2 days and that's it. this isn't a lot of weight, but we're dropping it off at the yard this morning. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. Grinding, grinding. Hey, did y'all know that's a hip-hop song I keep saying every time? I'll see if I can find it and put it on here real quick. Arr, it's freezing.
Grinding, you know what I keep in a line.
Okie dokie, guys. We will be there in 3.5 minutes. Let's go get on the scale. $72.20. Yeah. Let's go throw this out, guys. So the green light didn't come on after they weighed me, and I'm realizing they're closed. They're not open for like 15 more minutes. I'm gonna wait or go ask somebody. Their doors are closed. They're probably not ready yet. Wow, it says 44,440 pounds on that scale over there. Right there. That's crazy. What's that? 200 tons? 20 tons? Something like that, I forget. It's not 2,000. Okay, guys. Quickly now. Keeping the non-fair. Keeping the non-fairs. That go-kart. Bye-bye go-kart. Avalanche. Alright guys, I'll get footage when I'm done. Alright, now we're gonna go get back on the scale. What did I say, like 72.20 I believe. Gonna be about 600 pounds, maybe a little more. 700. I'm always off like more than I should be. 62, so 1,020. I was off like 300 some pounds, 400 pounds. Let's go get paid and head out. We're painting again, guys. Because we love painting in Bel Air so much. Day 1,000,004. Really fast. Dun dun dun. Joppa salvage. 420 Pulaski Highway, Joppa, Maryland. Sheet iron. We had 1,020. Dun dun dun. Equal 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 2, 3, 4. Not bad, not bad. I'll get some more footage later today. I'm supposed to pick up a whole bunch of appliances from the apartments I usually go to. He said they're cleaning out multiple units today. And I told him I can't come right now because I'm painting, and he said, cool. I'm either going as soon as I get done today or I'm going tomorrow morning. We'll get footage. We're gonna go get it. We're gonna fill this thing to the roof, guys. Every single thing must go, YouTube. Thank you for watching. On to the next one. One.